a great choice today with the 2016 Land Rover Range Rover. The luxury that's more than a luxury. It's quite apparent throughout our Range Rover heritage. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, heated seats, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, active suspension system, heated steering wheel, power windows, fog lights, security system, trip computer, heated front seats, rear window defroster, compass, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.